This video will show you how you can add a password to a PDF file. So as an example, I'm using this resume and we will add a password for free without even using Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, what I would recommend is a website called Small PDF. So go ahead and search for it and it should be the first one that appears. It should just be smallpdf.com. So go ahead and click on the link. And then from here, we can add a password. So go to Tools and that drop down menu will appear. And here we can find the password section. So we're going to go to More and Protect PDF. This is going to allow us to add a password and encrypt. So click Protect PDF. Now you can click Choose Files and a File Explorer will open. Or if you already have the file in Windows File Explorer, you can just drag it on just like this. And it should then load into the PDF. Now once this happens, we can then type a password here. So I'll just put pass1212 and we'll do the same again. Make sure you remember the passwords, make sure they're both the same, then click protect and it's then going to protect the password. Now we can download this password protected file. And now if we open this, it's going to ask for a password and we can type in the password, click submit and it will open the PDF. So that is one of the quickest ways to do it. I hope that helped.